Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to be taking these Dahlia cuttings. As you can see, really nice. Start growing really nicely there. Got another one here, might be to suit them a little bit better. You see there, nice crown of the plant there. Just get this out of the way to show you how I go about taking them. I don't know if you can see this properly. Hopefully you can. What you need to do is get your Dahlia here. That's the crown of the plant there. That's the tuber where it all comes from. You don't want to take any of the tuber with you. You want to leave like probably 4 or 5 mils next to the tuber, nice and short like that. And there you go. This one needs tidying up first, put up onto it. But the reason you take them now is because as they grow, dahlias, they become hollow inside, which when they're this size they're not. So that's one. Get this other one here. Just see it just to the side there. So there's enough room for some new growth there. That's the main thing here. I start these off in trays normally, but I've run out of trays and I didn't have enough room for some trays, so you got starting pots instead. Take this one out, just above again, nice and sharp. And there you have it. You can put this back now, give it a little bit of feed. As you can see there, in a few days I shall have several new cuttings to take there. They're coming along nicely. I'll put that out of the way. Right, once you've got these like this, next stage is to tidy them up. So what you want to do, you want to go just below, take these bottom leaves off, just below a leaf node, which is there. So nice and cross like that, and pull the leaves off gently. And that's ready to go in. So that's one done. Here's another one. So yeah, bottom bits off like so. Cut just above, just below, sorry, a leaf node. Straight across you want to go. Pull the leaves off. And your cutting should be 3 or 4 inches long. So nothing longer than that really. This one's a little bit longer saying that, but this one will be alright. So your bottom leaves off like so. Just below a leaf node, straight across, nice and flat. Yeah, I'm using a peat-based compost. You can put some vermiculite or perlite in it, just to help with the rooting. Then pull them off like so, and that's also ready to go in. Some people, yeah, dip these in hormone rooting powder. Some people swear by it, some people think it's fine just the way they are. So yeah, I've got the, like I said, this is a peat-based compost. It has got a little bit of feed in, which is not perfect, but it should be alright. So yeah, get your dibber, which is my hand like so, in like so, like that. Give it a good tap down, that's one done. Here's another one, just hold there like so. Give it a little tap. Some people press down around it like I do, some people don't. I like them to be nice and secure, me, when they're in there. And that's that one done. These now want to be put somewhere nice and warm and light. I shall put them on some heat mats, so 18-20 degrees. You also want to give them a really good water, and you want to get a water sprayer and spray them 2 or 3 times a day just to stop them from drying out, because they lose a lot of moisture through the leaves through evaporation. So, and while they're developing roots, they struggle to self-regulate the temperature. So yeah, that's them nicely watered like so. All I'm doing with these now is, if you can see, I'll show you. These will go over here. This is where I keep the tubers as well. There's a nice heat mat under there. You see with the wire there, and it's got a thermostat which controls it. And all I shall do is come in the morning, give them a mist with some water, dinner time mist, evening mist, and that just helps them retain the moisture while they're trying to root. Put that one there. Put that one there like that. So yeah, so that's basically it. So yeah, how to take Dahlia cuttings. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like my videos, please subscribe. And remember, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody. Please keep safe. Bye.